Hello everyone, welcome to WinsidesCom. In this video, we will check out how to access and use DirectX diagnostic tool on Windows 11. The easiest way to open this tool on Windows 11 is to make use of the run command. So let us open run command, and here I have already typed the command. So let us type DxDiag. You can find this in the description also. And click OK. It is not case sensitive. You can use both uppercase and smaller case. Alright, now DirectX diagnostic tool is now open on your Windows 11. Here you can find all the information related to your system, hardware components and the DirectX components. Under the system tab, you will find all the essential system information, from the computer name to the operating system to the BIOS, system model, the processor and the version of DirectX, and a lot more. You can click on next page. When you do that, the system will search whether all the DirectX components are working fine, and if everything is doing good, under the notes you will find a message no problems found. This means here the display one, here in my case that is the integrated graphics of my laptop, it is working fine. And when I go to the next page, that is display 2, this is my dedicated graphics card. It's a GTX 1650 and everything is working fine, and hence under the notes I am having the message no problems found. And if you see here, I have multiple sound tabs. Actually I am using different software like Asus Utility, Gamecaster, Audio Render. So each software is considering the actual sound device as a different device, and that is why I am getting a number of device. However, this is the exact hardware component, and here also you can find the option. You can find the message no problems found. So this tab provides the information about the speakers, the sound device, and then finally if you switch to input, here you will find information about all your input devices and the peripherals connected to your system. And here also no issues are found, so everything is good to go. You can now either exit, or if you want to save all this information, you can just click on save all information, and you can choose it and you can save it as a text file or XML files. It is up to you. And when you open this, you can find all the information here, and that is it. These are some of the common DxDiag errors that you may encounter on Windows 11. For the fix, kindly refer to our detailed article on winsides.com.